Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Emmanuel Oromi Justmal, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. And this is afternoon edition of Lamentation. This is Lamentation 52, 62, and your original pilot still remains Emmanuel Oromi Justmal. I have heard Jata. Some people are saying, why can't you obey the charter? Why can't you obey the charter? Why can't you obey? Hey, onye mere unu ihe a? And I see people who claims to go to attend university saying Jata. Jata in which freedom? Let me tell you people, one of the reasons why that they draft the Jata is for you people, you white the criminals, not to be criminally minded. Now, Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa, upon his arrest, appointed his somebody to hold the office in the form of COS, to hold his office, or Deputy Prime Minister, as we are now in government, to use COS is now known and avoid. You can only use Deputy Prime Minister in his absence. Some people are saying, oh, why we go to by the law? Which law? There is no law in freedom. Why that Jata was drafted is for you, why the criminals. And not when Prime Minister say, let this person hold this. The person that he trusted, you say no. Oh, this person. Now, what is the category of the person? Most of you people, most of you fools who are saying, Oke Ngwere, doesn't even know him till this moment. When he was boasting to you people that he sponsored the Finland Convention. Somebody with $60,000 in his account belonging to Biafra people. He's telling you people that he single-handedly sponsored Finland. What a lie. Is that the type of lies that you want to tell? Somebody that invited Gaddafi, and some of them are saying, oh, if I am on space and Gaddafi suddenly show up, will I chase him out? Are you aware that if you are in Zoom, what they use in broadcasting that thing is Zoom. If you come in Zoom, somebody hosting the Zoom will see you, but the people will not see you, as in public will not see you. The person can be able to interact with you even before he brings you to the public. Are you aware of that? The person can be able to talk to you even before he brings you to the public. Most of you doesn't know that. So if the person interacted with him and flow, and why I will say that the person interacted with him, the person do not just click, oh, see Gaddafi, let me bring him in. The welcoming of Gaddafi was welcomed by mammoth crowd. They were clapping. And Gaddafi was making jest of Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa, saying flag have fallen out of some people's hand and entered into another people's hand. For those of you who have not been following, it's because of the last year convention when flag fell from our Prime Minister. And after he was sacked last year, he started making jest of our Prime Minister, mocking him. The flag have fallen out of his hand. He still said that in their platform. And these are the people telling you, oh, we are respecting Jata. Where is the Jata from? From the government. And if you cannot respect the Prime Minister, why are you then claiming that you respect the Jata? And I speak with everything in me, in all sincerity. When I spoke with this chronic womanizer, the word that he used to me, and that is the reason why I say, Buto's of Onyoshi, success of Onyoshi, because Buto's attacked the Prime Minister last year. The word that this guy used for me is that we have said that we cannot obey anybody from inside prison, By the way, if Prime Minister is appointing person, did we obey the order of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? Is it the order of Prime Minister that we will obey? If there is any order to obey, it's not the order of Prime Minister. It will be the order of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And I look at that mentality. That is core hatred against the person of Mazi Simon Eba. And I call all of you, Oke Ngwere and his group, you people are cowards. Do you know why you are coward? You are hiding. I love Prime Minister. As you said, I call him my boss. Everybody in the cabinet knows that I call him my boss. But when he called you to come and give account of money under you, you disappeared and reappeared to give him an excuse that you went to somewhere. Second time you disappear, period to his arrest. Have you given any account? The answer is no. And you went and brought Gaddafi. The same Gaddafi calling our prime minister a criminal. And your people are lying. All of you are pure cowards. Unhumanable. And I ask all these criminals, standing, what their word now is Gaddafi not a Biafra? Then why are you against the China Samoshi? Is China Samoshi not a Biafra? Is a Jofo not a Biafra? Unu niile Chineke ya akpọ ọkụ. Is Chenche Doziegi not a Biafran? Is Emeka Opontuna Gift not a Biafran? So why are you against them? Is Hope Usadinjo not a Biafran? But you're against them. But somebody who have assured the Prime Minister that he will deal with him, you are now asking in the absence. That is to show that the person that you called your own Prime Minister. I don't go with criminals who form fake love. Emmanuel Orabueze form original love and stands on original love. With no exception. No begging to anybody. No begging to anybody. I stand on the truth. In the morning, you will see Emmanuel Orabueze standing on the truth. In the afternoon, you still see me the same. There is no way that I will tell you, let us do it like this. How will? It's not possible. Impossible. We must stand on the right truth. We must stand. Consistency is the key. Not lying and deceiving your own self. Consistency is the key. And you must stand on the truth no matter in all weather. You don't meander or corner words in order to deceive your own self. I am Emmanuel Orabueze, known as the Gracia. My word to all of you, if you claim that you respect Prime Minister, if those of you claim that you respect Prime Minister, questions are, why did they bring Gaddafi number one? Why is it that they can't obey Prime Minister secondly? Why is it that they go at the back doing meeting against Prime Minister? If you check all of them in that group, they are demons, fallen demons, who have insulted Prime Minister. Fallen demons who have insulted Prime Minister. Now they have gravitated to photoshopping. Like I saw the ex-minister of information who lied to you people when Prime Minister disappeared. That's at the time that Oke Ngwere was supplying this thing that he want to replace Prime Minister. Your information minister told us that Mazi Simon Eba is in his house. The one you people called Royce Igwe Onyoshi told the Biafrans that he just spoke to Prime Minister. If they have nothing to hide, if they are not the people writing all those things to finish authorities, why were they playing to hide this very thing? These are the questions that I continue to ask when they kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I asked all these questions. This was exactly how DOS hid the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The one you called the information minister was lying to Biafra people. And when I did the program, asking about the way, say attack, Oh, can't you listen to the information minister? He have said that Master Simon Ebe is in his house. He is sleeping. He is cornering. They rush to my inbox until I come to say, oh, I have, thank God I make everything open. I receive information that Prime Minister is in his house. When I did not feel right again, I asked the same question. If he is in his house, why can't he address us? They then again came, oh, he is in his house. Prime Minister is being detained, either in house arrest or in prison. It is detention which he needs to be free from. I am a man, I owe Jews. We must continuously. This group, if you love Master Simon Ekpa, you must fight for his release. This group,